Hi, I'm Bob Kramer, and I'm here to give you some tips on knife sharpening. Another question that I get quite often is, how often should you hone your knife? I like to tune into how well the knife is performing. Is it cutting efficiently? Is it doing what I want it to do? As soon as I notice that performance begin to drop, I'll grab my ceramic, tune the blade up, go back to my cut, and I should see the performance come up, and I should get that feeling that I was looking for. If that doesn't quite do it, if that doesn't quite bring it back, then I know it's time to bust the stones out, take 5 minutes, lay a new edge on that, and you're good to go. I don't agree with the fact that you need to hone your knife every single time that you break it out. Remember that every time you use either one of these tools, you're going to lose a little bit of material off the edge of the knife. So I like to preserve that edge for as long as I possibly can.